Hey guys, I'm Regina. Welcome to my channel. And I did some sketches, some freehand sketches of whimsical characters, father and son. So I did the freehand sketches and then colored them in with my colored pencils. So I did two different versions, and this one was just like on some lightweight cardstock that I just folded that to insert inside the envelope. And this one I did on one of my blank note cards that I love to use those because we can personalize those for whatever occasion that we want. So this one was done on the blank note card. Okay, and I want to wish y'all a happy Father's Day with your family. I hope you have a very nice day, and I will talk to y'all on the next video. Bye guys, have a fun and fabulous day. Bye.